Go get him, please. All right, okay. Daf Nun Hamad Base, line 1. Mishnah. Hakones tzaynadir. If a person puts his sheep into a pen, and he locks it up properly, then he gets out and causes damage. Parter. The owner is parter. Since he locked it up properly, he did his responsibility. Therefore, he is parter for any damage if it gets out somehow. But if he didn't lock it up properly, and then it gets out and damages, he's chayav for damage. He has to, obviously, if he didn't do his responsibility, if he didn't do what he has to do to keep that animal safe from causing damage, then he's going to have to pay. Line 3 at the end. Next. If the fence was breached at night, if in the middle of the night the fence broke and the animals got undamaged, unbelievable. Or if robbers broke the fence, and then they got under damage, part of the owner's part. So, if it's a case of Hakones where he locked it up properly, somehow got out in the night, we're going to explain this later on in the Gemara, then he is parted. Line 5. If the robbers actually took the animal out. Now we're going to discuss in the Gemara what exactly this means. Listim chayavim. The robbers are chayav. They have to pay for the damage. Why? Because they made a kind of kinyan. They got ownership of the animal. And we're now on line number 6. All questions be asked after I finish recording. Now what if the owner left the animal in a locked up pen, but it was in the hot sun? Or if he gave it over to someone who's irresponsible, someone who's deaf, or an insane person, or a child, then they got out and did damage. Chayiv. The owner is chayiv. The owner is obviously chayiv because he was irresponsible. He did something that would cause the animal to be able to get out. Either they left it in the sun, which made the animal mad. It made it crazy. Okay, made it crazy. Or if he left it in, if he didn't leave it in the shade, right? If he didn't put it in a place where there was adequate shade or adequate water, or if he gave it to someone who was not responsible, then obviously the owner takes responsibility instead. However, line number 8, line 7, Master al-Araya, but if he gave it to a Raya is a shepherd, someone who is responsible. The shepherd becomes responsible instead of him. Now the Gemara is going to explain later on, we're not talking about where the owner gave it to the shepherd, but actually a shepherd who gave it to another shepherd. That's that case. Next, line 8. Next piece of Gemara. Of Mishnah, sorry. Nafla legina. If the animal fell into a yard or into a field, v'nehenes, and it got benefit, Mishalem is mashenehenes. He has to pay for whatever benefit it got. And the Gemara talks later on about how it got in there and what exactly happened and what kind of benefit it got. Yard the kedaka. If, however, it went in a normal way, trot, went into the field, walked in, Ve'ezika, and caused damage, he has to pay for whatever damage it caused. And there's a difference between damage and benefit. Line 10 now. How does he pay for damage? So now there's a machlekes. We take a base saw of that in that field, how much it was worth and how much it is worth, and then we pay the difference. Rabbi Shimon says, no, it depends. If the produce was ripe produce, he has to pay for ripe produce. The difference between them is, according to the first opinion, you only pay for what the value is as part of the field, which isn't as expensive. Whereas Rabbi Shimon says, no, it's not the value of the field changing, it's the value of the produce. Line 14. If a saw was damaged, saw, he has to pay for a saw. If saw sayim, saw sayim. If there's two saw, he has to pay two saw. Excuse me. And all of this actually will be explained later on in the Gemara.